Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I have here. I have a 3-in-1 wireless charger, Sunflow, and I'll show you guys what it looks like here. It's got a couple of pictures on it, but nothing like seeing the real thing. So I'll show you guys it here. Oops, everything out of the box at the moment. But this is what it looks like here. So this is it. It's super cool looking. It looks like a, just really comfortable looking device, and it comes with it's like USB to USB-C charger. And let's see what's in this. It even comes with the little nugget for it. So how cool is that? Usually these things don't come with anything. So this one here comes with everything you need. So it's going to be a fast charger. It looks like it is on there. It says it does input 100 watt to 240 watt, output 5 volts, and 3 amps, 9 volts at that, and 1.6 TAs. I'm not sure exactly what all that means, but we're going to plug it in and give the thing a little try. See what happens. So here we are. So now it is plugged in, and let's see. So I have an Apple Watch. So I put the Apple Watch on top, and I don't know if you can see, it's charging. And then I don't have my phone because I'm using it to charge, but I'll show you guys what happens here. So you can have your phone right there. See, so you have your watch and your phone, and then on here I can put my headphones. And I don't know where my headphones are. I think I might have left them on an airplane or something, but I can't find my headphones. But look at that. So it can charge all that stuff in a super convenient place. Great for a little nightstand. And then check out this here. I can push that, and you see there's the little light underneath it. So I can turn the light on or off, so I can use it as a night light as well. Oop. Well, I can. There we go. But yeah, so I can just keep this next to my bed and have a little night light, which is perfect for what I need. And it'll have my phone there telling me the time and stuff, because I use my phone as a clock at night. And my watch, and everything will just charge right there on a super convenient little stand. So I'm going to say this is awesome. It says SODI on it. And super cool. Totally pick up one of these for sure. It's got some instruction manual if you really need it, but I think it's pretty self-explanatory. It looks like it has a 15 watt max is what it will charge your phone at, and 2.5 watts for the watch and 5 watts for the headphones. You can see right there. So it'll charge all that stuff. So really cool. So it's going to charge your phone pretty quick. 15 watts. I remember those little nugget things were like 2 or something. So this is going to be charge it nice and fast. So super cool little device. Pick up one of these, and it looks great, and white matches all my stuff, so I like it. Totally cool.